Hi friends, this is Sneha from Dr. Partkas, and today I've come up with an interesting topic which is ignored by all of us, and that is junk food. Yeah, you heard it right. It is ignored by majority of us, but still you are being surrounded by all sort of junk foods around you. As I said, we're surrounded by all types of junk, and we tend to eat this because A, it is easily accessible, B, it is available at a very cheaper rates. And why do you tend to eat just these junk food? One, because you're starving for more than 8 hours and then you eat or hog onto whatever comes in front of you. According to statistics, India is the fastest growing market in the packaged snacks. The revenue generated from this in 2015 was said to be Rs 331 billions and it has peaked to 1400 billions currently. And what has led to this increased revenue of these packaged snacks? A, the cheaper rates, B, the taste makers, because of which we buy the products and we are tempted to rebuy it on and on. And what are we benefiting from all this? Absolutely nothing, because these products are high and rich in refined carbs, salt, sugar and oil, which all of these is really bad for your health. So always keep in mind, do not eat anything that comes on your plate from an industry, because natural food leads to health and processed foods leads to disease. So don't unpack the packet, let the packet be. Junk food craving not only harms the adults, but a lot of its side effects is faced by children, and childhood obesity is rising at an alarming rate in India as well. And this childhood obesity leads to various health issues like heart problems and diabetes for children at a very younger age. So parents, you do so much to protect your children, so why harm their health by letting them eat this junk food? Junk food you have craved for an hour, or the body you have craved for a lifetime. The ball is in your court. Choose wise, eat wise. Until then, bye-bye.